Hey guys, this is Mr. H. Hey, I jumped from question 6 to question 20 because I want you guys to really understand this idea. Whenever you have two functions, basically what you're looking for is where those two functions intersect, where they cross. Okay, so I'm going to circle. There are two intersections. Here's one, and here's the other one. Now, what you need to pay attention to is what are the x values. So if we look at this, the coordinates for this point right here, let me change it back, would be 1 and then 1, 2, 3. 1 and a -3. Now, the coordinates for this point over here is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's not a good 5. I could do a better 5 than that. 5, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, so the answer to this question is basically you're just going to look for the x values of both of those two intersections, and the answer would be number 1. Like only 22% of my students got this right. And we got to get this question. Like it's not a difficult question. You're just looking for intersections. Now, to show you that most of the time, they don't give us the graph. We have to create it. This is question number 6. The answer is the intersection. So I took that equation and I made it into two functions, right? So let me show you. Here are the two functions. I took the left-hand side of the equation and made it into a function. And then I took the right-hand side of the equation and made it into a function. And all I did was I just found the intersection. And I used the x coordinate from that intersection. That's how I got that question. And that's how you guys should have gotten this question as well. But unfortunately, only a fifth of you saw that. I don't understand what I need to do to make this clear. But whenever you have two functions, this one is f of x, which is a quadratic, g of x is a linear function. All we're looking for is where those two functions intersect. That's where they're equal. That's why I always say, look for equal signs. Because once you see an equal sign, you can graph it, right? So I don't know, guys. We got to get these types of questions. If you want to pass the Regents, you have to do these. You have to see these questions and go, oh, Mr. H told us. Those are just intersections. That's all we're looking for. All right, I'm going to stop and post this one. I'm also going to add a link in here to question number 6, so you can go watch that if you need to see that again. All right, I'm stopping.